Russian Defense Ministry Anatoly Serdyukov, who is in Delhi right now, has dropped a bombshell of bad news on the Indian Navy. He has confirmed a delay of 1 year, one whole year in the delivery of the Gorshkov aircraft carrier that India had ordered for refurbishment way back in 2004. A massive disappointment and setback for the Indian Navy, which had actually been hoping to commission the aircraft carrier now called the Vikramaditya before December this year. In fact, they wanted to commission it on Navy Day. That's on the 4th of December this year. I want to get a live input from our editor of Strategic Affairs, Gaurav Sawant. Gaurav, another big disappointment in what has been virtually a journey of disappointments for nearly a decade. Cost overrun, time overrun, technology obsolescence, and now with the Gorshkov coming another year late at over $1 billion overpriced, the Navy's plans are just completely shot to hell now.
They indeed are. INS Vikramaditya, this is the third major cost overrun and time overrun for INS Vikramaditya or
Yes.
Admiral Gorshkov, amid reports that it failed its sea trials, and that has been extremely disappointing. Sources in the Navy unwilling to officially comment on INS Vikramaditya failing its sea trials, but this year-long delay will once again prove to be a major setback for Indian Navy's plans, to prove itself as a blue water Navy.
Yes.
That is point one. And once again, very, very strong criticism of this decision first to go in for, INS Vikramaditya or Admiral Gorshkov, and just compare this to what China is doing. Once again,
Indeed.
India's Navy planners would be left red-faced with this, and the timidity of the Indian establishment that you're not even invoking the price clause here, the penalty clause with the Russians for this nth delay in Vikramaditya.
Gaurav, thanks for getting us those details. It is indeed extremely, extremely disconcerting that India will not be invoking a penalty clause in this particular delay. We and our reporters will get you the real story behind the Gorshkov. There could be a bigger story afoot as far as this ship is concerned.